the Trump administration acknowledged in a court filing on Monday that it mistakenly deported a father from Maryland to El Salvador due to an administrative error. They argued that they could not return him because he is now in Salvadoran custody. This filing is part of a lawsuit concerning the deportation of Kilmar Armando Abrego Garcia, a Salvadoran national who was granted protected status in 2019 by an immigration judge, which prohibited the federal government from deporting him to El Salvador. The filing, initially reported by The Atlantic, seems to be the first instance where the administration has admitted an error related to its recent deportation flights to El Salvador, which are now central to a contentious legal battle. According to the filing, on March 15, although ICE was aware of his protection from removal to El Salvador, Abrego Garcia was removed to El Salvador because of an administrative error. Abrego Garcia, whose attorney's state fled gang violence in El Salvador over a decade ago, was identified by his wife in a photo of detainees entering intake at El Salvador's notorious mega prison CECOT. Before his deportation, he had been arrested by Immigration and Customs Enforcement in mid-March due to allegations of his prominent role in MS-13, according to a court declaration from a senior ICE official. However, his attorneys assert that he is neither a member of nor has any ties to the MS-13 gang. Robert Cerna, an acting ICE field office director, explained in his declaration that Abrego Garcia was not on the initial manifest of the Title VIII flight to be removed to El Salvador. He added that, as others were removed from the flight for various reasons, he moved up the list and was assigned to the flight. The manifest did not indicate that Abrego Garcia should not be removed. The declaration further stated, through administrative error, Abrego Garcia was removed from the United States to El Salvador. This was an oversight, and the removal was carried out in good faith based on the existence of a final order of removal and Abrego Garcia's purported membership in MS-13. The administration contended that it cannot bring back Abrego Garcia because he is in Salvadoran custody, and dismissed concerns about the likelihood of him being tortured or killed in CECOT.